Wang Shi Yuan, or known as Master of Nets Garden in English, is located in Suzhou, China. Suzhou is a region of many beautiful landscapes, but where Wang Shi Yuan stands out is in its unique spatial organization that promotes the interaction between buildings and nature. The garden was originally the site of Wang Town, owned by a high official in the southern Song dynasty, who called the garden Yu Yin, or Fisherman's Garden in English. The old garden was abandoned since and rebuilt during Qianlong years of Qing dynasty. Since then, the garden has gone through numerous cycles of life and decline until it was renovated to its present-day scale. Despite the fact of being rebuilt numerous times, it has never lost its essence of being a superb example of Chinese landscape and architecture that brings both natural surrounding and man-made building into one. The garden is divided into two major courtyards, one north and one south. Both of these courtyards revolve around a central pond. In essence, it is a linear organization with nodes to allow articulation. The buildings of the southern courtyards are structured formally to enforce the status of the garden and are often used to entertain or greet guests, while buildings in the northern courtyards are composed more freely to show a sense of belonging and warmth. Throughout the garden, buildings and paths are put on angles, in addition to the use of diminishing objects, in order to simulate false perspective. Another major component in Chinese garden is the pond. The use of water symbolizes tranquility and is often required when merging man-made objects with nature. Here, the water is not only used as a soothing and relaxing entity, but also a medium through which the observers can enjoy the garden. The use of water's property is very crucial here. Using the reflections of the shoreline and buildings, it submerges the viewer in the garden and its landscape, and add extra layers of building and foreground. In essence, the garden contains some of the very important aspects that we most Western architects embrace. Frank Lloyd Wright believed that each material had its own unique set of qualities that no other will share. That idea is fully advocated with the use of different colors and textures of the stones in addition to the use of a variety of plants. Also, the garden is a perfect example of Macaulay Match's concept that space is a relation between objects. In the garden, viewers will see the use of different buildings and items to offset and complement each other in order to create the spaces in between, to create paths where people could travel, and the experience they will perceive when traveling. Wang Shi Yuan is truly a great example of Chinese garden in its essence of embracing the natural and man-made to be fully integrated into each other. Through this integration, it demonstrates very important principles of architecture that holds true across the world. The garden shows the use of materials and relations of objects that define space and in essence defines the experiential view of the garden.